Snacks! Snacks! Everyone loves snacks. They are yummy and fun to eat. Today, we're making a super duper snack crispy baked sweet potato fries. These fries are easy to make and good for you. Say goodbye to boring snacks and hello to yummy and healthy sweet potato fries. Let's gather our ingredients. We don't need many things. Sweet potatoes? We need some sweet potatoes for our fries. Choose big ones for big fries. Olive oil. A little bit of olive oil will make our fries crispy. Salt. A pinch of salt makes everything taste better. Pepper. Add a little pepper if you like a bit of spice. That's it. See? We told you it was easy. First, wash the sweet potatoes. Now, peel the skin off with a peeler. Next, cut the sweet potatoes into long fry shapes. Put the fries in a bowl of cold water. Soaking them makes them extra crispy. Let them soak for a bit. Now, take them out and pat them dry with a clean towel. Put the fries in a big bowl. Add some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix them well so the fries are coated with oil and spices. Let's bake! Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means making the oven hot before we put the fries in. Spread the fries on a baking sheet. Make sure they are not on top of each other. Put the baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Flip the fries halfway through so they cook evenly. Enjoy your crispy treats. Once the fries are golden brown and crispy, take them out of the oven. Let them cool for a bit so you don't burn your mouth. Serve them with your favorite dips like ketchup, mayonnaise, or even some spicy sriracha mayo. Yummy! You can also sprinkle some herbs on top for extra flavor. Congratulations! You made delicious and healthy sweet potato fries. Wasn't that easy?